Bosu ball and TRX single-legged squats. So you want to hang on to your TRX, you step on the Bosu ball with a single leg. Again, this is a very complicated exercise, so you're going to have a lot of shaking and instability here, but this is supposed to be very challenging. It's supposed to fry your nervous system. Okay? So you stand up. It doesn't really matter where you position the TRX. You can challenge yourself and keep it relatively loose. And then you're going down into a single-legged squat position, nice and deep, and standing straight back up. Okay? So one thing that's important to keep in mind, when you go down, watch that the ball doesn't tilt very much. Okay? So you want to try to keep the ball, the surface of the Bosu ball parallel to the ground. Okay, so the ankles, the knees, the hips, and the lower back, all of them can work efficiently together. Okay, so again, one more time. Nice and tall. You want to make sure you have a little bit of a Trendelenburg. Trendelenburg is when you lift up one leg and the opposite side of your hip elevates a little bit. Okay, so you want to make sure when you stand up here, you pay attention that that is actually happening. In this case, I'm using my right leg, and the left hip is elevating and going down, keeping yourself nice and upright. Big look at my spine. I'm not bending forward like this, so try to keep yourself upright. The TRX is quite good for this, and then you're going straight upward. Yeah? So this was the TRX Bosu combination single-legged squat.